We know how to factorize quadratics where the coefficient of x squared is 1, but what about a quadratic like this where there's a 2 in front of the x squared, so the coefficient of x squared is not 1? In such a question, we first need to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant. So we do 2 multiplied by 3. This obviously gives us 6. And then we need a pair of numbers which will times to give 6, but will add to give the coefficient of x, which is 7. Looking at the factors of 6, we have 1 and 6, 2 and 3. The only pair that works is 1 and 6. What we do now is we rewrite 7x as 6x plus 1x, or 1x plus 6x. And we then factorize twice. It's easier to show you this than to explain it. I first factorize 2x squared plus 1x, and I can do so by taking out a factor of x, giving me 2x plus 1. I then factorize the plus 6x plus 3, and I can do this by taking out a factor of 3. And we will get 2x plus 1. It's very important that we end up with 2 identical brackets at this stage. And if you've done it right so far, you always will. We can now take out a factor of 2x plus 1, that common bracket. And if we do that, we then have x plus 3. And we've now factorized the quadratic expression. Because the expanded expression equals 0, this also equals 0. So I have 2 brackets multiplied together to give 0. So as before, either 2x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0. If 2x plus 1 is 0, we can solve by subtracting 1 from both sides, and then dividing by 2, giving me an answer of x equals minus 1/2. Similarly, we could subtract 3 from both sides of the second equation, giving me x equals minus 3. Let's try another example. In this question, we want to factorize and hence solve the equation. We can see it's a quadratic equation. It's got an x squared term, an x term, and a constant term, and it equals 0. So we're going to attempt to factorize. Same as before, I'm going to multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is 6x squared, by the constant, which is minus 8. Don't forget the minus in front. 6 times 8 is minus 48. So I need a pair of numbers that will multiply to give minus 48 and add to give the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. I need to consider the factors of 48. 6 times minus 8 is minus 48, and minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. So 6 and minus 8 look like a good bet. So now, as before, I write the equation as 6x squared, and then instead of minus 2x, I'm going to write minus 8x plus 6x. It doesn't actually matter if you write it as plus 6x minus 8x. The final answer will work out to be the same. So the only thing that I've changed is instead of writing minus 2x, I've written minus 8x plus 6x. And we know minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2, so we haven't changed the equation in any way. We now factorize twice, as before. 6x squared and minus 8x. We can take out a factor of 2x. That's the highest common factor. And then in the bracket, I will have 3x take away 4. Plus, and then I have plus 6x and minus 8. Highest common factor is 2. So I will have 3x, and again, take away 4. We have identical brackets, which is a good sign. We now take out 3x minus 4 as a bracket, as a factor, and we get 2x plus 2 inside the bracket. So we have 3x minus 4, bracket 2x plus 2. This still equals 0. We either have 3x minus 4 equal to 0, or 2x plus 2 equals 0. In the first case, we can add 4 to both sides, so give us 3x equals 4, and then divide both sides by 3, giving us an answer of 4/3. Or we can have 2x equals minus 2, and then x equals minus 1. We need to give both solutions to get all the marks. Here are some questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.